At DASK CNC Manufacturing, we're more than just a provider of CNC machines. We're your partner in precision. Our state-of-the-art CNC lathes and milling machines are designed to meet the highest standards of accuracy, efficiency, and reliability. With a team of seasoned engineers and decades of industry experience, we understand the demands of modern manufacturing. That's why we're committed to delivering cutting-edge solutions that keep your production line running smoothly. Our machines are built to last, combining innovation with robust performance. Whether you're looking for the latest CNC technology or customized machining solutions, DASK CNC has the expertise to support your business every step of the way. Join the ranks of leading manufacturers who trust DASK CNC for their machining needs. Discover how our machines can transform your production process and elevate your capabilities. DASK CNC Manufacturing, precision, performance, and partnership. Let's build the future together.